Before starting powers and functions of Supreme Court, I want to share some more information about Supreme Court. First one, fifth chapter of the Indian Constitution, Article 124 to 147 tells about Supreme Court or apex court of our country. And who is the senior most sitting judge in Supreme Court is become the Chief Justice candidate, and he finally appointed by President on the advice of Prime Minister and Union Council of Ministers, and also other judges of Supreme Court appointed by President on the advice of Chief Justice of India. And one more point, actually strength of Supreme Court, one Chief Justice and other 33 judges, but present it consists one Chief Justice and 31 other judges. Total 32 judges in Supreme Court of our country presently. Now I am explaining about powers and functions of Supreme Court. First one, original jurisdictions according to Article 131. It means basic objectives of establishment of Supreme Court. In that first one, it will give justice to all citizens of our country. Second one, it will solve the disputes happen in between state to state. Third one, it will solve the disputes happened in between state governments and central government. Second point, second portion function, that is appellate jurisdictions, Article 132, 133, 134. After any High Court judgment, anyone can appeals to Supreme Court of our country on the cases of or on the matters of civil case, criminal case and constitutional case. Why? Because it is the final appeal court in our country. Third one, advisory jurisdictions, Article 143. It will give advice to President of our country during the time of public information and constitutional matters. And also it will give advice to central government, means Prime Minister and Union Council of Ministers, and all over India, all India servants, and also lower courts of our country. Next, guardian of fundamental rights according to Article 32. If your rights means if your fundamental rights violate from any kind of people in our country or in our society, in the time you have right to protect your rights through Supreme Court of our country. Bracketally, right to constitutional remedies, sixth fundamental rights of every citizen of our country. Through 5 writs of Supreme Court, you can protect your rights. That's why it's called as a guardian of fundamental rights. Fifth one, guardian of Indian Constitution. If any state government or central government violates the Indian Constitution rules and regulations during the time of making laws or acts, in the time Supreme Court interfere in that and stop the violation of Indian Constitution, and also it given directions to central government and state government. Like this way, Supreme Court protects the Indian Constitution. That's why it's called as a guardian of Indian Constitution. Sixth one, court of record. Why it's called as record court means in our country it is a final court, highest court, final appeal court in all 3 cases including civil, criminal and constitutional. That's why what it will give any judgment in any cases that is final in our country. After Supreme Court judgment, no one have any right to ask any question. That's why its judgment, it's become final and record in our country. That's why this court called as a record court in our country. Last one, judicial review. If any ordinary bills or laws or act, they are not according to Indian Constitution, in the time Supreme Court declares it is unconstitutional or illegal like that. And also it stops the implementation of the law or act throughout in India. That's why this procedure called as a judicial review of Supreme Court. These are all powers and functions of Supreme Court or Apex Court, highest court, final court in our country. Next, we will know about high courts in states. Thank you.